Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Fastway E2 weight distribution shank. This shank is going to slide into your 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receiver on your vehicle, and then it's going to provide the attachment point for your weight distribution system's head assembly. This is designed for use with the Fastway E2 weight distribution systems with a 600 pound to 1,200 pound tongue weight capacity. This does have a powder coated steel construction, so it is going to resist corrosion and give us that weight capacity up to 1,200 pounds. You can see this does have 6 adjustment holes here that are going to allow us to attach the head assembly. This will allow us to set our head assembly at different positions to accommodate different trailer heights so that we can tow multiple trailers with our vehicle. These holes are spaced 1.25 inch apart on center on center. So when we have it in the drop position here, if we were to set it at the lowest height position in that drop position, depending on what kind of system you're using, if you have a round bar system or a trunnion bar system. So our max drop with a round bar system is going to be 8 inches. Our max drop with the trunnion bar system is going to be 9 3/4 inches. We can also flip this over and use it in the rise position. Again, our max rise with the round bar system is going to be 12 inches, and with the trunnion bar system, the max rise will be 12.25 inches. Now that max drop and max height is measured from the top inside edge of your receiver tube down to where your trailer coupler is going to sit. So if your coupler sits quite a bit lower than your hitch, this will work great for you. You can also use it in the rise. So if your coupler sits quite a bit higher, you can use it in that capacity as well. Do want to give you a few measurements to make sure that this is going to work for your application. So you can see we do have your standard 5/8 inch diameter pinhole here to keep this in your hitch. So from the center of our adjustment holes back to the center of that hitch pinhole, we're looking at right at 8 inches. From the center of our hitch pinhole to the front of the shank, it's going to be 9 inches. So that's going to tell you where your head assembly is going to sit. And then from the back of our gusset here to that center pinhole is going to be about 4 inches. So make sure that you're going to have enough clearance from where your pinhole sits to where that front of the receiver is going to hit up against that. Make sure that you've got enough room. You should, but just making sure that's going to work for you. And then our overall length from the very front to the very back, right at 12 inches. So if you are looking to get maybe a larger drop for your weight distribution system, if you've got a truck that sits a little bit higher, you want to make sure that your trailer is going to be level, this will do a really good job for you. And that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.